Good morning.
How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Patrick West,
Jeremy.
Andrew.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Let me help you out
Love your
with
hair,
this.
my man.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Here you go, man. Yep. Thank you. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Thank you.
Champagne on chill, so would you like a glass of champagne before we
Yes,
take off?
please.
Okay, I'll go in over.
Thank you.
Beautiful day to fly.
Okay.
Sweet.
And Miss Tammy here, she's sweet and honey. She's going to take great care of you back here. I have co-captain Sergio with me.
Perfect.
We're going to be landing about noon time.
Oh yeah, thank you. Yes, please.
Ooh, yum.
Which way?
Just right there is perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mm-hmm.
Thanks for doing it in the oven too.
Yeah.
It's going.
Cheers. Love you.